Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add Apple Pay to Shopify store in 2023. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing you want to do here is you want to go to admin.shopify.com and log in into your account. Once you've logged in into your account, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to locate your settings. So settings is located at the bottom left of your screen and you just want to click on that. Now from here, you want to look for the section that says payments under the My Store section. Now once you click on this, you'll see the payment section here. So if you're in a country where Shopify payments is enabled, you'll see this UI here. But since we want to add Apple Pay into our account here or in our store, then we need to click on see all other providers. Now in here, we'll be adding a third-party payment provider. So in this case, we could just look for Apple Pay here, but the easiest way that I find for us to look for third parties to add into our payment providers here, just click on the payment methods and you'll see Apple Pay here. Now just click on that and you'll be able to see third-party payment providers wherein Apple Pay is supported. Now here you just need to choose the provider that you want to use. So for example, we want to use AirWallex here. So just click on that. And from here, it's going to give you a few information and you need to actually connect your AirWallex account into your Shopify account here and just click on connect. So the same thing, if you want to use this for a different provider, you'll have to connect your account for that provider there. So in here, let's just use our account. And from there, you'll just have to log in into your account for AirWallex or whatever payment provider you are requiring or you want. So here in this case, we have to install an application for AirWallex. Just click on install app. It's going to start the installation process. And again, you need to connect your account. So let's just wait for this one. It's going to load up a UI wherein we'll need to log in. So here it's going to say finish setting up your AirWallex account. So yeah, from here you just need to basically set up your AirWallex account, finish anything that they require here, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.